Kiama kia Jubilee githiete na mbere na kunyitirira ati maumirira ma githurano kia gicigo kia ubunge gia Kiambaa maria monanite ati murirukia wa kiama kia UDA John Njuguna wa Wanjiku ni arundire kariri wa njama wa Jubilee mena gatithio karia marendaga gatuithanio ni igoti.
But we think we give it our best shot.
Yes, yeah.
And we think we actually won. That is the message you're getting from this group.
You know this election was rigged. You know it. We will be going to court to determine and to prove to Kenyans that this election was rigged and Honorable Kanjama remains our MP-elect from our perspective. And the courts will prove this.
Ona kuri uguo kiama kia Jubilee kiugite ati nditimurano ya Kiambaa irakiumburiirie marima maria matumite urito wakio gitaru-ini gia gatagati uthingithio no tongoria wakio ugite ati ukwambiriria thabari ya guthinga mianya ino na kwiyumba weru.
My friend, everybody here is interim, including the party leader, deputy, everybody is interim. We are telling you now how we are going to organize this party so that you have bona fide officials all from the ground, he has told you, all the way up to the National Delegate Conference. And those who are willing to have some of these seats, they are free to come and contest for them.
Nobody's been ejected out of office. We are united. We have reviewed the just concluded by-elections. We have also looked at our long-term strategic plans, and that's why we have come up with a program to rejuvenate the party, to have the party presence felt.
Imwe ya mihang'o iria irigirirwo gucokia riri wa kiama kia Jubilee ni hamwe na ithurano cia atongoria matura-ini na kugeria gutukania utongoria wa kiama gatagati-ini ka maabitha na ateti ari njira ya kuhe utongoria wa kiama andu a kumahe meciria ma uria muingi urenda.
We will have Jubilee from the village, from Jubilee offices from the village, sub-location, location, division, all the way up to national. And those are the things that we will be doing in the next 1 month.
Ona kuri uguo kiama giki ni gikanite ati kwina njatukano gatagati-ini ka ruhonge rwa wathani na ateti iria ireyanikire githurano-ini giki. Ateti amwe matongoretio ni ambunge kanini kega na Ngunjiri wa Wambugu maroigaga ati mahinda ni makinyu maabitha amwe kiama mahamurithio gitanatherera indi maabitha amwe makauga ati marakuithio mutharaba wa mahitia ma ateti maria mahanikire Kiambaa aria merumiirie mbeca cia mibango ya kampeini matekwenda uteithio wao.
This house is big enough for all of us, and we respect and recognize the effort of every one of us. Moving forward, we are going to have different people stepping up to play the role that they need to play. When it's a political problem, you're going to see politicians. It's a technical problem, you're going to see the technical people. If it's a bureaucratic problem, because we're also the ruling party.
Shida kubwa ya Jubilee sio Kanini Gega, sio Atuoli, sio Murathe na sio Tuju. Shida yetu ya Jubilee sio Raila Odinga, sio mtu yeyote. Shida yetu ya Jubilee ni Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Kiama kia Jubilee gitikitie ati mugaro na uria amemba a UDA makoretwo makiuga ati mathiko makio matabaneirio mwena wa Kiambaa rugano-ini rwao megutura maugaga ati kuu nikuo mamukire mihumo ya muoyo na makiribariba ndaka meharirie kwambiriria muturire mweru wa uteti. Ngiributira Inooro TV njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.